So I'm trying to demonstrate something here. Uh, this may be a long video, but yeah, this is a temperature meter, or what do you call it? Thermometer. A power bank that can output 2 amps. This measures the amperage, voltage, and energy. This is an almost drained flashlight that can take up to 0.8 amps. Yeah, that's good. And here we have a teeny little tiny charging cable that I'm trying to test here. I know it heats up, but I want to measure how much and if it's dangerous or something. Man, I can't speak today. So we take the probe and put it into the cable, hopefully the middle, and strap it down with something like these guys here. It's not enough. What can we use if that's not enough? Some zip ties, like this. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure this is the way to go, but yeah, let's try it. Hopefully I'll be able to measure things here. Okay, I think that's about where the temperature sensing happens. Yeah, it's connected. I increased the temperature of it, so we'll have to let it go down, like blow on it or something. Nah, it will go down. And anyway, it should go up to like 50 degrees. So 28 is not a problem. Room temperature is 22 right now, 21 and a half. Okay, so how do we start the test? Let's just connect everything. And let's see. Put this in and put this into charge. Like here. Come on. Like that. And yeah, this is the worst situation because something already detected that the cable is not good enough, or the plug or something, and it's only charging at 0.3 amps. So let me just move the cables a little. Let's see if that fixes it. 0.3. 0.3. This one, take it out, put it back in. No? Okay, then I'm getting the charger just to cover all possibilities. I have a really nice charger here that can output, it also supports quick charge, but can output 3 amps or 4. Yeah, the same thing. So maybe this is fully charged. Let me bring a cell phone. One is at 80%, the other one is 87. So I don't know which one to pick here. Yeah, this is still going down. So that's not a good test. Let's test it with my battery meter. My battery tester thing. Let's put it in here. and put something to charge like that, and take a battery from somewhere. I don't know which one is discharged, so we can see. Oh yeah, this takes half an amp. Okay, with half an amp the temperature should go up. So let's just wait and see. And I'll search for another battery, because this charger can output a lot more. So where did I put a good battery that can be charged? Oh, I have this stupid pack of bad batteries. These are 4 in parallel, so they should start charging at a higher speed. Oh, crap. Yeah. Only half an amp. The cable must be the limiting factor here, because the temperature is not going down, it's going up. And yeah, let's just see. Yep, going up. So if I felt the heat with my hand, that means at least 37 degrees Celsius. So yeah, at least that's it should be 40 something. So this in this test we should let the temperature go up for like a minute. Let's see if it goes any higher. Yep, it's going higher. But yesterday I tried to charge my phone with this cable, and it went with 0.8 amps. So I don't know, maybe the plugs are not different, and I mean the plugs that the cable goes into. So yeah. So anyway, the point of this test is that you shouldn't see temperatures like that. Rising from 25 something, it's rising, and you should never use charging cables like this. I will try to fix this cable in an upcoming video. So let's leave it a bit more. Let's see how much it climbs, and then we'll end the video. It's not going higher, just a bit. Let's try a phone. Let's try this. What is this? Huawei. How are you? Huawei. Oh, this also charges very slowly. Oh no, it went up to 0.7. Okay, this will have faster results. So you can see the temperature should go up to like 30 at least, I think. With almost twice the load. significantly higher anyway. So yeah, basically there are really thin wires inside that cable, just two of them, and I'm going to replace them with much thicker wires and see if it changes everything or anything. So yeah, see you in the next video.